Did you know Windows 11 can copy text from any image in just a few seconds and you don't need to install any software? Whether it's a screenshot, photo, scanned document, or PDF image, Windows 11 can extract the text instantly. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to copy text from any image in Windows 11 using the built-in OCR feature. Let's get started. First, open the image that contains the text you want to copy. This can be a screenshot, photo, scanned document, or any image file. Now press Win+Shift+T. Then select the text area you want to copy. After selecting the desired text from the image, click Copy All Text or select only the specific text you need. Now paste it anywhere: Word, Notepad, email, ChatGPT, or any application. That's how you can copy text from any image in Windows 11 without installing any extra software. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.